So we're out driving in Noah's new to him truck, and we're out going to Tractor Supply. We gotta get some welding rods for this project, so that's the least I can do. My neighbor's bringing his service truck over with his plasma cutter and his welder and all those fun tools, so we get to use those today. But I need to go buy some welding rods, so that's what we're doing right now. We're going to buy some welding rod. Well, guys, we got a box of welding rods, and we got a bunch of clevis pins, lynch pins, I'm sorry. A bunch of lynch pins, because those were $2.50 for 10. That's cheap. And I got those price matched at Tractor Supply. They do that. They was like $40 for that box, and I prefer Rural King, but it's further away. So we went to there and got the Rural King price, which is $29. And we got that for $29. Then we bought some Jimmy sticks, because they never had Jimmy sticks before. So, you know, now we're gonna get some breakfast, and we is gonna get to work. We are going through the drive-thru. Can I order a Yoho? Can I get, do they still have a triple stack? Because I want a triple stack. Hey, at McDonald's, if you be watching this, listen, bring back the triple stack, okay? Listen, bring it back.
We need it.
Bring it back, the triple stack. If they need a secret menu like Starbucks, that's what we need. Triple stack! Look at these Jimmy sticks. You ain't never seen Jimmy stick before? I ain't never had them before. Woohoo! Look at that. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh. Oh. Oh.
Hang on. Dink it.
Dink it and sink it. Look at that.
You still got more of those.
You can't see, that's a pretzel. Focus! That's a pretzel wrapped in peanut butter, wrapped in chocolate.
Oh, dang.
That's tasty.
We should have got more.
We should have got a bunch more of those. Oh well. Alright, easy. We need to have not muddy mud. But sometimes, all the work you do on one day, you ruin the next day. C'est la vie. That is not good. Oh well. Building pallet forks now. We're gonna cut this right here, and it's gonna straddle in between here and here.
There's a little piece.
These are upside down right now. We're gonna flip them over.
Nice.
And then I got a piece of this boy right here. We're gonna make the 3-point trapeze up to the top. So we're building some pallet spears. That's what we're working on next. We got the cultivator done. Here we go. guys, thanks for watching the video. Did you know that I'm on TikTok? You should totally go follow me on TikTok. I'm gonna link to it like right here if I can. And if I can't, then I'm just gonna point at the sky. But you should totally go follow my TikTok. Anyway, there you go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Special thanks to John Eric for helping me get that all whipped out and whipped up. Yeah, so I'll be seeing y'all later. Take it easy.